Ryan and Colin, let me... Hello. What's your name?
Julie.
Nice to meet you, Julie. Why don't you go up there and say hi to Ryan and Colin? This is Julie. Hi, what's your name?
Michelle.
Michelle, nice to meet you, Michelle. Why don't you come on down here, say hi to Ryan and Colin. Why don't you stand over here next to Julie? Thanks for doing this. Stand over here next to Julie, Michelle. What's going to happen is, these guys are going to do a scene for you. Julie, you're going to do the sound effects for Colin. And Michelle, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan. And the scene is, Ryan is Indiana Jones. Colin is his sassy female sidekick. They are on a dangerous quest for lost treasure. Julie does the sound effects for Colin. Michelle does the sound effects for Ryan. Take it away.
I want you to look in this book.
I'm sassy.
I know. But look in the book anyway.
Oh, look how old and leathery these papers are.
Flip.
I recognize this book. It's from...
I guess you better...
Flip, 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 flip.
This is from the old book of Flip.
That's right. Very damp.
But that means the hidden treasure.
That's right. And we're boarding a plane in 1 minute. Get your luggage together.
I'm just taking air.
Okay, climb aboard. Thought I'd have a beer on the way up.
Why don't I flip the propeller?
All right.
'Cause I'm...
Start her up for me. Contact. Contact. Sorry. Harder.
Oh! There's an elephant on the wing.
Get the elephant. We're waiting. Try it now. There it goes. Get in. Go up your seatbelt.
Click.
Ready? Here we go.
Boy, listen to that engine.
We'll get there. Don't worry about it. Just hang on.
It sounds like the engine's in trouble.
It's all right. We might have to make a crash.
I'm scared.
Hang on. I'm going to try to put her down in the water over there.
Luckily, those dogs broke our fall.
We're safe. A temple. A temple. All right. Let's head into the temple.
All right. Oh, there's a door. Oh, this must open it.
Never mind. I'll move it.
I'll help you. I'm sassy.
Here we go. Wait a minute. Different colored stones. We have to walk across these stones very slowly.
You know, they may be damp.
I'm ready for that.
Squish. Squish. Squish.
Oh my God, I missed the stone.
Oh, nothing happened.
Oh, I guess we're okay. What? Oh my God. Quick, give me some sand, a bag of sand.
Watch out. Look, a snake.
It's all right. You stepped up. It's okay. Oh, it's all right.
You know what? This assignment has been fraught with almost danger.
It's the easiest assignment I've ever been on. I guess everything's all right. Oh my God, a giant rock! It looks bigger.